Good morning, teachers, respected parents, and friends. My name is Kirtan Patel from Class 1 Optimism. Today's topic is Life Cycle of a Star. A star is a huge ball of burning gases which emits energy in the form of heat and light. Stars go through a natural cycle much like any living being. This cycle begins with birth, expands through a lifespan characterized by change and growth, and ultimately leads to death. A star's life cycle is determined by its mass. The larger its mass, the shorter its life cycle. There are two types of stars: average stars and massive stars. Stars born from a giant cloud of gases called nebula or stellar nebula. The temperature in the cloud is low enough for the synthesis of molecules. Orion Cloud Complex is an example of a star in this stage of life. A nebula collects more dust and gas, pulling them inward towards hard. This ball of hard matter is called protostar. The creation of a protostar can be seen through infrared vision as the protostars are warmer than other materials in the molecular cloud. The protostar will go denser and hotter for the next few millions of years, which is a stable state, also called as main sequence. A star does not live forever. A few millions of years after the hydrogen in the star runs out, the star then grows in size and becomes a red giant. A star converts hydrogen atoms into helium over the course of life at its core. Eventually, if the hydrogen fuel in the star runs out, an internal reaction stops, causing it to expand. As it expands, the star first becomes subgiant star and then a red giant star. Red giants have cooler surface than protostar. That's why they appear red and then yellow. The giant will then cool down and become to lose its mass. Its outer layer will become to form a planetary nebula. These nebulae are some of the most beautiful objects in the universe. Helium molecules fuse at the core as the star expands. The energy of this reaction prevents the core from collapsing. Once the helium fusion stops, carbon and ion fusion starts. The ion fusion reaction absorbs energy which causes the core to collapse. This implosion transforms an average star into a white dwarf and a massive star into a supernova. Most of the massive star material is blasted away into space, but the core implodes into a neutron star or black hole. Average star does not explode. Instead, their core contracts into a tiny hot star known as white dwarf. Eventually, it cools to become a black dwarf. A black hole is so dense and has such a strong gravity that nothing can escape from its pull. Even light also can't escape. That's why they appeared black. The black hole is the last stage of a massive star's life. Summary: a star starts its life as a protostar in a stellar nebula. Then it stabilizes into a star. All stars are born the same way but dies differently. After exhausting its energy, an average sized star becomes a red giant, then a white dwarf, then dies as a black dwarf. A massive star has a different journey. After exhausting its energy, a massive star becomes a neutron star or end up in black hole. I hope you enjoyed today's session. Thank you.